Alright, today we are diving into the world of Pecorino Romano. This cheese isn't just a topping, folks, it's practically a Roman emperor in the world of Italian cuisine. So what exactly is Pecorino Romano? First of all, it's hard, salty cheese made from sheep's milk. So yeah, it's got a little baby in its DNA. Unlike the creamy, mellow cheese, Pecorino Romano packs a punch. It's salty, sharp and bold, like the friend who's always telling it like it is. This cheese has a grainy texture, so it crumbles beautifully, but can also be grated to add its signature savory thing to all kinds of dishes. A little history. Let's talk about the history. Pecorino Romano is ancient, and when I say ancient, I mean legionaries were eating it. Ancient. That's right, Roman soldiers were snacking on Pecorino Romano as they conquered lands. Talk about taking a piece of home with you, made primarily in Lazio, Sardinia and Tuscany. It's one of Italy's oldest cheeses ever, produced the same way for over 2000 years. If it's lasted this long, you know it's gonna be good. Flavor and pairing. Pecorino Romano isn't a wallflower. It's loud and proud. Expect a salty, tangy flavor with a nutty edge. It's bold enough to stand up to strong flavors but loves to partner with mellow ingredients to balance it out. Pasta, veggies, and even honey love Pecorino Romano's company. And listen, this cheese isn't for delicate sprinkling. You are gonna want to grate in with purpose. This is the cheese for a true cacio e pepe. Forget Parmesan, Pecorino Romano is the star here. Its saltiness, its perfect balance for pasta, creating that creamy, peppery masterpiece with you two main ingredients. And don't even get me started on carbonara. It wouldn't be the same without Pecorino Romano kick. You can also shave it onto soups, risottos, or even a salad if you fancy feeling. Just remember, a little goes a long way. So there you have it, Pecorino Romano, the salty sidekick every Italian dish needs. Next time you're cooking, reach for Pecorino Romano and bring a taste of ancient Rome right into your kitchen. Just don't blame me if you start feeling like a gladiator. And if you're crawling more cheesy knowledge, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a big like. Let's build the ultimate Italian kitchen together, one delicious video at a time. Ciao amici!